In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily lock hidden photos on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app. If you would like to hide some photo or video, just long press on it, tap it Hide, and then Hide Photo. Now if we go to Albums, we can easily find that hidden album here, and that's where all our hidden images and videos are stored. If you would like to make that album more private and secure, you can easily lock it with Face ID. To do that, head over to Settings, scroll down until you find Photos, and then turn on the option which is called Use Face ID. If it is turned on, Face ID is required to get access to the hidden album. As you can see, now it is showing that log icon next to hidden and recently deleted albums, and as you can see, now Face ID is required to get access to both of these albums. However, there is one more trick here. We can hide even that album from here. To do that, head over to Settings and then turn off the option which is called Show Hidden Album. That will hide it from the Utilities section. However, hidden album still exists and it contains all the photo in it, so we can still go to our camera roll, and from here we can hide any picture or any video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.